Largo Sound, part of the John Pennekamp State Park. They've got these mooring balls. Since we have to be out on the Atlantic side for diving, this is nice to be able to get in and out of the waves. So, and they also got a little dive shop in here that hopefully we can get air fills. Looks like they got a swim area there. Looking like this might be where we set up camp for the next few days. Another dinghy dock. So fun to say, isn't it? Dinghy dock.
No. Pick them out? All right. I'll take them out now. We'll set them right over here by this.
Alright, we've got our tanks filled on the mooring ball for tonight.
You got plenty of water.
Got water. We got a pump out here.
Good.
We're gonna walking up here out of the state park, go get a bite to eat, and then back to the boat for some diving. Can't wait. The Lazy Lobster. Oh, thank you. Do we need to be seated?
How many?
2. So, I got the conch, and Dad got, what was that you got? It was a chicken something or another.
Yeah.
They slapped it with some barbecue sauce, didn't they? And like I said, they didn't miss the sandwich. Whew. That key lime pie is about as good as I've ever had. Back to the boat. We hadn't caught a fish yet.
Get that. We probably did. We just lost it.
Yeah. They cut that leader in half.
Yeah. That's way too small.
He got his beer with him. See all the way to the bottom. 12, 15 foot of water. It's awesome. We got some dive boats out here today. Awesome. It looks like we got divers right here below us. The bubbles coming up.
Yeah, I can see them.
Can you?
Yeah. See the yellow fins. Get the fishing pole, there's yellow fins. There's about 4 of them below us. 3 or 4.
Yeah. That is awesome that you can see them.
We're heading back to the Pennekamp mooring wall. We can only do it one more time. We camp there tonight, which we don't really, to tell you the truth, we don't really need it. But we've already paid for it. Well, evidently the Boy Scouts have somehow reserved all the mooring balls for the rest of the week.
Coming into Pennekamp State Park after another day of diving on Molasses Reef. Holy shit, what a great location. I mean, just freaking awesome. So, Monday night here. Another 3 full days of diving before we got to worry about getting back to Miami. So, this is awesome. Just great.